Get a feel for the 2016 GMC Sierra. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a view of this hard-working, boldly styled GMC Sierra, the full-size pickup available with a range of powertrains and options designed to prioritize the capabilities you've been looking for. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated driver's seat, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, fog lamps, satellite radio, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, backup camera. Feel confident about taking on every project in this rugged Sierra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.